Bonjour, welcome back to Get By in French. Now we're on lesson 7 and today's lesson will tell you about family members so you can describe your family and also ask other people about theirs. Okay, so here are some of the members of the family that we're going to look at today. So we've got a few people on our family tree. We've got la mère, mother, and here we've got le père, father. Okay, la mère, le père. And then down here we've got la fille. It's a bit like a y sound, like a y. La fille, daughter. Le fils, son. This is pronounced, this S, which is quite unusual. So it's le fils, la fille. The daughter, the son. And then if you wanted to talk about this daughter, she has a brother. It's le frère. So you might be familiar with frère Jacques, which is brother Jack, the children's song. Le frère, and then if he's talking about his sister, it's la sœur. Notice again the E is close to the O. The O and E is like one letter. It's a French part of the alphabet, so it's how the sound is la sœur. Notice also we've got la, so this is the feminine, la mère, la fille, la sœur. Here we've got le père, le fils, le frère as well. Everything has got a masculine or a feminine. It isn't just because these are feminine members of the family and these are masculine, but here it's illustrated with people. But we have a le and a la for everything in French. And then over here, if we want to say my mother, we can say ma mère, my daughter, ma fille, mon père, my father, mon fils, my son. And then if we want to say I have, it's j'ai. And then if we want to ask someone else, we say avez-vous. So that's our vocabulary. Let me explain about my family. So I might say j'ai une sœur. J'ai une sœur. And we've already learnt how to say someone's name. We said je m'appelle. This time is elle, she, elle s'appelle Jane. J'ai une sœur. Elle s'appelle Jane. And then you might want to ask someone, what about you and your family? So, avez-vous une famille? Do you have a family? Do you have family? Or you could simply say, et vous? And you? So I've explained I've got a sister. She's called Jane. And you? What about you? Okay, so quite a lot of vocabulary. We've got j'ai, I have. Avez-vous? Do you have? And s'appelle, il, he is called. Elle s'appelle. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed that. Concentrate on the pronunciations and you'll get there. The PDF and the video will be on our website. Thank you. À la prochaine.